Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the upload error in Canva quickly and easily. If your files are not uploading, the first thing to check is your internet connection, because slow or unstable internet can interrupt uploads completely. Next, refresh the Canva page or restart the app, because temporary glitches often cause upload failures. You should also make sure your file format is supported. Canva works best with common formats like PNG, JPG, MP4, and PDF. Extremely large files may also fail to upload, so try compressing the file size before uploading again. Another helpful fix is clearing your browser cache or updating the Canva app to the latest version. Outdated data or older app versions can create compatibility problems. If you were using a browser, switching to Google Chrome may improve upload performance. You should also check your device storage, because low storage sometimes affects temporary upload processing. Finally, log out of your Canva account, sign back in, and retry the upload. In most cases, these quick fixes solve Canva upload errors successfully. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.